So she's acting distant and pulling away. Don't worry, my friend. This is perfectly normal behavior, and the absolute worst thing you can do is chase after her. She's testing you to see how you'll react, and failing her tests will only push her further away. The good news is that there are 5 solid reasons why you should ignore her behavior and give her space. Pulling away is what women do when they're uncertain of the relationship or their feelings. Acting needy and clingy will confirm her worst fears that you're too available and not enough of a challenge. Stay calm and occupied. Keep living your amazing life, and she'll come back around. This is the time to show how independent and unreactive you are. Pass her tests, keep your cool, and she'll be drawn back into your orbit before you know it. So sit back and relax. Here are the 5 reasons why ignoring her is your best strategy. 1. She's testing your confidence. She's pulling away to see if you'll come chasing after her. Don't take the bait. Show her you're not too available by giving her space. Go do your own thing and don't reach out. She'll wonder why you're not begging for her attention and start to miss you. Stay confident in yourself. Don't question what you did wrong or if she's losing interest. She's testing your self-assurance, so keep your head high. Don't be too eager to make plans. Wait for her to suggest getting together instead of constantly asking when she's free. Make her work for your time, and she'll value you more. By not reacting to her little test, you pass with flying colors. She'll realize you're not going to crumble without her and come running back. This time with even more admiration and respect for the strong, self-assured man you are. Stand firm, stay calm, and keep living your best life. She'll be back before you know it. 2. You'll seem needy if you chase her. Chasing after her when she pulls away will only make you seem needy and push her further away. She likely needs some space to think, and bombarding her with calls and texts will overwhelm her. Give her time to miss you. Coming on too strong can be a turn-off. Backing off shows you respect her needs and are not desperate for her attention all the time. Needy behavior is unattractive. Showing her you have a life of your own and don't revolve around her will make you more appealing. Give her the chance to come back to you. She may realize she misses you and want to reconnect, but that won't happen if you don't give her breathing room. Stay busy living your best life. Hang with friends, pick up a hobby, or hit the gym. Make yourself less available and focus on self-improvement. There's a good chance she'll be drawn back and by your newfound independence and confidence. If she does come back around, you'll be in an even better position. If not, you'll be better equipped to move on to someone new. 3. She'll respect you more if you don't react. Don't blow up her phone with calls or texts when she pulls away. The more you react, the more you feed her ego and desire for power over you. Staying calm and detached shows her you have a life of your own and that her actions don't rule you. When she does reach out again, don't drop everything to respond immediately. Wait a bit before replying to messages or calls. She'll see you have other priorities keeping you busy, and that will make her respect you more. It also makes her work harder to win back your attention and affection. Avoid expressing extreme emotions. Don't get angry or beg and plead for her to come back. Remain polite but indifferent. She likely expects you to make a dramatic display of emotions. Disappoint her by not giving her that satisfaction. Stay confident in yourself. Know that you deserve someone who treats you well and gives you their full attention and affection. Her pulling away says more about her own issues and insecurities than about you. You're still the same great, interesting person you were before she started withdrawing. Remember that, the less reactive and more confident you are, the more she'll come to respect you. And in time, she may realize that the one pulling away is the one truly missing out. But by then, you may have moved on to someone who gives you the love and attention you really deserve. 4. She'll miss your love. When she pulls away, don't chase after her. The lack of your affection and attention will leave her missing what you had. She'll reminisce about the good times you shared, the intimate moments, and the laughter and joy you brought to each other's lives. The memories you created together will come flooding back to her without the warmth of your embrace to keep them at bay. She may try to fill the void with superficial connections or material things, but nothing can truly replace the deep human bond she had with you. Your absence will carve a space in her world that she'll struggle to ignore. The comfort, care, and companionship you provided will seem more valuable with each passing day. She took your love and support for granted when they were freely given, but she'll ache for them once they've been taken away. Though it may be difficult, staying detached is the kindest thing you can do. It gives her the opportunity to experience life without you and gain a deeper appreciation for all you brought to the relationship. If she comes back, you'll know your love means more to her than her fleeting whims. And if she doesn't return, you've lost nothing but wisdom and strength. Either way, you win by refusing to chase the one who pulls away. 5. It shows you're secure. When a woman pulls away, don't chase after her. Let her go. It shows you're secure enough in yourself that you don't need constant validation or affection from her to feel good about yourself. Women are attracted to men who exude confidence and self-assurance. Chasing after her when she pulls away makes you seem needy, insecure, and lacking in confidence in yourself and your worth. Staying calm and giving her space demonstrate emotional stability and maturity. It signals that you don't depend on any one person for your happiness and well-being. You have a full, rich life of your own that you're satisfied with, regardless of whether she's present or not. This kind of emotional independence and self-confidence are extremely appealing. It makes you a challenge, and challenges intrigue women. Pulling away when she does the same in return makes you mysterious and hard to get, and that will only make her want you more. So when she pulls away, pull away yourself. Occupy your time with the things and people that are meaningful to you. Let her come back to you. Not only will she respect you more for it, but she'll desire you more too. Your worth isn't defined by her actions or attention, it's defined by you.